Hello, in this video I want to show you all available gestures and motions on Honor 200. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings, navigate to accessibility features, then there's the shortcuts and gestures. First one is a Google Assistant, and you can access your digital assistant by holding a power button for 1 second. And if you want to open Power Menu, hold it for 3 seconds instead. Now we can go back and navigate to Quick Launch. When activated, you can choose one of the functions for the Quick Launch, either camera with instant photo, or torch. And in this case, let's go with the torch. Now what we need to do is lock our screen, double tap volume down button, and it should perform the Quick Launch option that we've chosen. Next one is screenshot and global features, and the first screenshot option is double knuckle onto the screen. Then there's a partial screenshot. Knock once, hold your knuckle onto the screen and draw something with the finish line. That way you'll be able to take a partial screenshot of exactly what you've drawn. Then there's the scroll shot. Knock once and start drawing S. And then this should capture the full page screenshot. Then we have a 3-finger screenshot, so we need to slide down 3 fingers from top of the screen to capture the screenshot. It also activates the global features, and it's mentioned here as well. Now we can go back and navigate to record screen. Use your 2 knuckles and knock twice onto the screen. And it should begin screen recording. Sometimes it may ask you for the microphone permission, then just navigate to the permissions for screen recorder and accept the microphone. Next one is wake screen. There's 2 options, raise to wake and double tap to wake. If you lock your phone, you can pick up your phone with a grip to wake up the screen without touching any buttons. That is raise to wake. And the other one is double tap, I think. Yep, double tap to wake up. So double tap onto the screen to wake it up as well. Then there's the drag app content. Sadly, I don't have any apps that allow me to do so, but what it does for some of the apps is allows you to copy certain text that you can select by holding your finger onto the text and then save it in some kind of a clipboard. And the last one is mute ringtone, reduce volume. Flip to mute ringtones. If you receive a phone call, you can flip your phone to mute that ringtone. Another one is raise to reduce volume. If your phone starts ringing, you can pick it up and it should reduce the volume of that ringtone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.